Hi, good evening. My name is Nadia Mundel, and I am an enrolled agent with the Internal Revenue Service here to help you with any and all tax matters. So, the question of the week is: do I have to pay taxes on my Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal deposits? Okay, good question. The truth is, for 2022, you do not have to pay any taxes on those if you do not have gross receipts over $20,000 or you do not have more than 200 transactions. So if your 200 transactions does not add up to more than $20,000, you're okay for 2022 tax period. But for 2023, you will run into some possibly tax on your third party network transactions. And the rule that is going to be if you have transactions of $600 or more, then you may have to pay taxes on those transactions. So, which transactions are non taxable? Well, it says that if you have income that is for, we're going to talk about the non-taxable first, and then we'll talk about the taxable. So if you have income from like a relative, your mom, your grandma, your aunties, whoever, friends that have sent you money, then it is not taxable. Okay, so you won't have to worry about that. But if you do get a large transfer or a large deposit, it may trigger a inquiry from the IRS. So please make sure you record correctly that it is not business related, that it is a personal transaction. Okay, so if you are getting reimbursements for a business expense, then that's not taxable. Okay, if you are, let's say, paying estimated tax payments, then that's not taxable. But the items that are possibly taxable are monies you receive from a part-time job. That's taxable. Any side sales that you may have. All right, so the commissioner discussed selling a couch. Let's say you had a couch that you wanted to get rid of, and you sold that couch for $1,000, right? If you sold the couch for $1,000, you may be taxed on it, but you could do an offset on the amount that you paid for the couch. So there is some wiggle room there, but you do have to remember personal losses are not not deductible. So guys, this new rule that they have is going to be very, very interesting. And the fact that they have it at $600 is a little crazy. But I guess they were trying to go after the gig workers who are, I guess, who was not reporting their income for their gig business. I hope that was helpful to you, and I look forward for 2023, and I hope that they push that number back up to the $20,000, because it's going to be very, very important for you to record your transaction. You're actually going to have to do a very good job on recording your expenses, your descriptions, because each one of them have a description line. So you have to record if that transaction was a personal transaction or if it was a business transaction. Another way you can avoid this craziness is by doing bank to bank, or like a Zelle. Zelle is not a part of the third party transaction network, so they're not going to be reporting or recording to the IRS. So yeah, make sure you put a really good description and keep your books straight. what I'm always talking about. Keeping good records is going to be very important for 2023 tax year. So good news is it's really not going to affect you for 2022, but bad news is 2023 it is going to be an issue, and hopefully they change it to a higher number than 600. All right, I hope that was helpful to you. Again, you can reach me at 347-231-3289, or you can check me out on the web at mundlesincometax.com. See you soon.